we've been here. We saw a couple of fidgets, not a lot.
And the store's name is $5.
So everything we buy is $5. Fidgets!
There's fidgets everywhere. I love fidgets. Fidgets everywhere. Look at them all. Ooh, look. We don't have these yet. These are dimple fidgets.
Yeah.
They're fidget spinners.
Yeah, and we got ice cream one.
Ooh, they got an ice cream.
That has to be a popsicle.
Oh, it is.
Popsicle. Because with the accessory balls, we had to get some of these too. Oh.
Ooh, look, there's cutie fruities back there.
I want the pink one.
Oh, this one has like glitter on it. Look at this one's a star, guys.
I want that one.
This one is white. I don't see very many white ones.
Pricey?
It's a rare unicorn.
And it's glitter.
Turn it over. What shape is it? Ooh, he looks like an alien. Oh, he says a glitter spaceman.
Guys, look at it.
Do you think they got squishies here? Let's see if they got the squishies. Did you see squishies? I'm looking for squishies. Have you found squishies?
Nope.
I need to find squishies, guys. We need squishies. Right. Oh, it's a giant Slinky. Guys, we found squishies! Squishies! Woo, squishies! Where are we going?
We're doing a shortcut.
All right, go.
It's a shortcut. Over here.
Where are we going? Uh-oh, she took a detour. Uh-oh, where are we going, Ella? Uh-oh, are we going up front?
A shortcut, baby. Let's check out, guys.
All right, self-checkout. Which one are you picking? Uh-oh. No. Guys, I see a bucket of chalk. There's only one thing you do with a bucket of chalk. Ella can't surprise me on YouTube, right? Alright guys, so Dad's waiting in the car. We're about ready to finish up our video because we have gotten our fidgets, right?
Yeah, and our bag ripped.
So Bryce is going inside to get another one, but you need to stay tuned and make sure you watch our next video with fidgets. Hi guys! Don't forget before you go, we have a free t-shirt giveaway. It ends on August 22nd, and all you have to do is go over to our Facebook page and comment on this post.